Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you? Good
Fine.
afternoon,
How are
ma'am.
you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Fine.
Fine.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
Fine. How are you?
Good
Fine.
Good evening, ma'am. Yeah, fine. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Good. Did you complete last
Yes,
class?
fine.
I
Thank you.
gave some notes. Did you complete that?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you study?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will check your notebook. Good. I will check your notebook. So please take your notebook. Last class, we got class से खरगोश. Please take that page. Please take that page. I will call one by one. Be ready?
Which page, ma'am?
Yes, what
Ma'am,
happened?
I finished.
I will call one by one. I will call one by one. So,
One by one.
please listen. Krishnaraj. Krishnaraj. So, be ready. Wait. So, don't call ma'am. I will call you. Be ready. Krishnaraj, where is your notebook? Take first. Where Krishnaraj? Yes, good. Krishnaraj. Saharsa. Sahasravinu, connection problem. Sahasravinu. Diya KP. Sahasravinu, where is your notebook, Sahasra? Sahasravinu, where is your notebook? Sahasra, not clear that. Sahasra, once more, not clear. Please adjust your camera properly, Sahasra. Yes, Ka. Next letter, where, Sahasra? Next letter. Ka. Sahasra. Next letter. Sahasra. Sahasra, please adjust your camera properly. Yes. Okay, yes. Very good. Diya KP, where is your notebook? Take your notebook. Diya, okay. Afreen Anam, where is your video? Afreen Anam, please switch on. Afreen, where is your notebook? Afreen, what happened? Afreen, where is not clear? Next lecture where? Ka, okay. Next lecture Ga. Afreen, not clear, Afreen. Afreen, did you complete that one? No. Afreen, please unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes, what happened?
How many lines right? How many lines?
4 or 5. Afreen, why you didn't complete, Afreen? Afreen, why you didn't complete? Last Thursday, I gave this note. Afreen, what happened, Afreen? Say answer. Afreen, what happened? Why you didn't complete? Afreen, say.
That's it, my child.
What? Why you didn't complete the notes?
That's it, my child.
Not clear. Okay, anyway, don't repeat like this. Clear? Don't repeat like. Today itself, please complete the notes, Afreen. Okay, next one. Devadarsh. Where is your notebook? Devadarsh. Devadarsh. Not clear, Devadarsh. Okay. Malavika KN. Malavika KN. Yes. Take first. Malavika KN. Yes. Okay. Agnes. Agnes Teresa. Teresa. Do first. Don't waste time. Agnes Teresa. Yes. Very good. Suresh. Suresh. Take. Where is your notebook? Take first. Don't waste the time, Suresh. Suresh, not clear. Not clear, Suresh. Suresh. Okay. Yes. Okay, Suresh. Shivanedya. Shivanedya. Where is your notebook? Shivanedya. Not clear, Shivanedya. Properly. Yes, very good. Fia Elizabeth. Fia Elizabeth.
Not.
Take your notebook. Fia Elizabeth. Please take fast. Fia Elizabeth, not clear. Yes, very good. Abel Sijo. Abel Sijo. Abel Sijo. Take notebook. Abel, okay. And Catherine. Where is your notebook? And Catherine, please. Do first. And Catherine, okay, and Catherine. And Catherine, please try to write at least 5 column. Place is there, and Catherine. So, next lecture onwards, please try to write 5 column. And, okay. Arun, where is your notebook? Yes, okay. Arun, yes. Okay, Arav. Samanviya, please take your notebook. Take first, Samanviya. Samanviya, not clear. Please adjust your camera. Samanviya, keep left side. Samanviya, keep left side. Some, left side. How much column, Samanviya? Only 3 column? Please unmute, Samanviya. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
How much column you wrote?
4 column.
4 column, okay. Try to write 5 column. Place
Okay,
is there. Yes. Dias. Where is your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Take your notebook
Yes.
first. Take your notebook. Okay, Dia. Aradhya Pradeep. Aradhya. Take first. Aradhya Pradeep, not clear. Aradhya Pradeep. Aradhya. Ooh, this is your 2-line book, Aradhya? Huh? Aradhya, please unmute. Aradhya, this is your book, 2-line book. Aradhya, please say answer. Huh? Aradhya, look straight. This is your 2-line book? Huh?
No.
Aradhya,
Yes, ma'am.
say answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It's not.
Aradhya, write properly. When you are drawing the line, use scale. Aradhya, please rub and write that page full.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next class, I will check your notebook. Today itself, rub and write. And Anishan, Aradhya, use scale when you are making column. Okay. Aradhya, and Anishan, not clear. Keep, adjust your camera. And Anishan, how much column? Only 3 column?
Yes, ma'am.
5. I told no last class at least 4 or 5. Place is there. Why you are simply leaving place?
Right.
So next
I'm
class.
right.
Today itself, please rub it and write 4 or 5 columns. Very long, big book. That's why you can write 4 or 5 columns.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Yes. Afia Maria. where is your notebook? Afia Maria, where? Please take. Afia Maria, okay. Ansel M. Lijo. Ansel M. Lijo, please take. Ansel M. Lijo, please take your notebook first. Take. Here. Ansel. Ansel, please. Fast. Ania. Ansel, okay. Ania Faustina. Ania, take your notebook. Adjust your camera properly. I can't see. Ania, why you didn't complete the note? Ania, please unmute. Ania, please unmute. Pia Elizabeth, please mute. Ania, did you complete the note? Yes or no? No. Why you didn't complete the notes, Ania? Huh? Last Thursday, I gave this note. How many days over? Huh? You didn't get time. Ania, say answer. Why you didn't complete the notes? Huh? Have you any reason? Yes or no? Huh? Look straight. Don't look here and there. Ania. Huh? Don't repeat like this. Today itself, please complete. Okay.
Yes,
only one page. Only one page I am giving. Clear, Ania?
Yes, ma'am.
Next class, I will check your notebook. So today itself, please complete. Daksha Deepak. Daksha Deepak, take your notebook. Yes, very good. Ishan Krishna. Yes, Ishan Krishna. Okay. Prithvi K. Manoj. Prithvi K. Manoj. There. Yes, good. Andrea Anish. Very good. Ahian. Where is your notebook? Take first. Ahian.
Ma'am, I completed Sorakshar.
You didn't complete. Ahian, where is your book?
Sorakshar completed.
Where is your notebook? Show me. Ahian. Yes, Ahian, yes. Anmia Regal. Anmia Regal, where is your notebook? Take first. Okay, Anmia, very good. Next one. Ashif Shafiq. Yes, Nainiga. Nainiga.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your notebook? Yes. Andrea Anish. Andrea Anish, take your notebook first. Yes, very good. Rafan Muhammad. Rafan Muhammad. Where is your notebook, Rafan? Rafan Muhammad.
I completed. No.
Why you didn't complete it, Rafan? Huh? Why you didn't complete? Rafan. Why you didn't complete the notes? Rafan Muhammad. Yes, Veda Vinod Kumar. Where is your notebook? Veda. Yes, very good. Ashujit. Where is your notebook, Ashujit?
Ma'am, I completed.
Wait. Ashujit. Ashujit, how much column? Only 3 column, Ashujit. Huh? Ashujit, please make 4 or 5 column. 4. Place is there, that's why. Okay. Devananda KS. Where is your notebook? Devananda, yes. Ashif Sahib. Asif.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your notebook? Do first. Asif. Where? Asif, where? Not getting. Yes, some students not complete the notes today itself. Complete that. Clear? Rafan Muhammad, I didn't get your notebook. Ryan,
That.
Ryan Ramis, where is your notebook, Ryan? Please, do first.
Ma'am, a friend notes completed.
Why, Afrin? Yes, Afrin. Okay, Rose M. Francis. Rose M. Francis. Yes, very good. Okay. Some students not complete. That please complete today itself. And Mia, Afrin, please complete today itself your notes. Not now. Not now.
Completed.
Not now. Yes, next one. Please take your textbook. Take your textbook, page number 17. Page number 17. Today, we are going to study next Vyanjanakshar Ga. Ga. Very easy letter. Ga se gamla. Ga se gamla. Gamla. How? Gamla. Malayalam we are using ma, but Hindi when you say pronunciation m. Gamla. Don't. Some are telling. Last class I heard. Some will pronounce gamala, not ma. Okay, ma. Gamla. Ga se gamla. Ga se gamla. So all of you say ga se gamla.
Ga se gamala.
Gamala noted. Gamala. No. That is wrong.
Gamla.
Say ma.
Ga se gamla.
Ma. Say ma.
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 Ga se gamla.
Gamla. Say gamla.
Ga se gamla.
Gamala.
Gamla.
Please say ma. Ma.
Ga se gamla.
Ga se gamla.
Gamla.
Ga se
Gamla.
gamla.
Ga se gamla. Ga se gamla.
Yes, I will ask. Agnes Trisa. Ga se.
Gamla.
Yes, very good. Ga se gamla. Anthony Shan. Ga se.
Ga se gamla.
Gamala, not Anthony. Gum. Anthony say gum. M.
Gamla.
Anthony say m.
Gamla.
Gum.
Gamla.
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 Yes, very good. Good boy. Yes, gamla. Yes. Afia Maria. गा से क्या है?
गा से गमला.
गा से गमला. Yes. Ahian CS. Ahian. गा से
गमला.
Gamla. Ma. No, don't say ma. Malayalam we are saying ma. But in here, mu.
गा से गमला.
गमला. इसका अर्थ क्या है? Vase. Flower pot. Okay. See this picture? Gamla. Vase. Flower vase or flower pot. Clear? Gamla. Gamla means vase. Daksha Deepak. गा से क्या है?
गमला.
Yes, gamla. So, please take your notebooks. It's very easy letter. We can direct. So, please write in your notebook itself. No need in your textbook today. Very easy letter. So, we are going to write in your notebook itself. So please take your notebook. Yes. Don't write now. I will write. How to write ga? How to write ga? Yes, listen. Write today's date. 4/8. So please make column with scale. With scale. 3 or 4, sorry, 4 or 5. With scale. And please listen here. Don't write now. Please listen. Keep your pencil down. So listen how to write. From up. Yes, come here and here one small curve. Don't touch that curve here. Don't touch down. Near this are one straight line. That is girl. Once more I will write. Yeah. That curve don't touch down. These are one straight line. Girl. G se gamla. G se gamla. Take your book. Write. Very easy letter. G se gamla. G se G. Very easy. G se. That curve don't touch down. G se gamla. G se gamla. Yes. When you are writing, say the letter, say the word. Please, again, I am telling, please make 4 or 5 columns.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
What happened?
Ma'am means.
Yes, say.
Ma'am means what?
What? Please ask.
Gamala se means.
Meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
Vase. Flower vase, flower pot, any vase. Vase. Okay. Are you seeing that picture?
Yes.
Okay. Flower pot, flower vase, any vase. In the textbook, vase, or you can use any word, flower vase or flower pot vase, any vase. Clear? Gamla. Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Ga se gamla. Ga. Again listen. Don't touch.
Yeah.
Ga se.
And right.
Please write. Write today's date. Where is the margin? There. Write today's date.
Yeah.
Ga se.
Gamala.
Again, I am telling, don't say gamala. Gamala, not gamla. Not ma. Okay.
Ma.
Gamla.
Gamala.
Gamla.
Gamala.
Again, there, who is saying gamala? Huh? I will give nice. Who is that? Huh? I told no. Gamla. M. No. Ma. Yes. Gamla.
Ga se Kamla.
Ah, yes, very good. Ga se gamla.
Kamla.
Gamla. Okay.
Ga
No, don't repeat ma. Clear? Yes. Mu. Half pronoun. Go.
Ga se Kamla.
Aradhya, please write properly.
Ga
Okay.
se
Next
Kamla.
class I will take your notebook, Aradhya. And Mia Faustina also.
Ga se
And Mia?
Kamla.
And Mia, now you write it. Ga.
Kamla.
Hmm.
Ga se Kamla. Ga se Kamla. Ga se Kamla. Ga se Kamla.
Right?
Ga se Kamla. Ga se Kamla.
Ga se gamla.
Ga se Kamla. Ga se Kamla.
Aradhya, are you playing there, Aradhya? Aradhya, are you playing there?
Ga se Kamla.
Aradhya?
Gamla.
Aradhya, Pradeep,
Se
are
Gamla.
you playing there?
Ga se
Yes or no?
Se Gamla.
No.
And finish.
Right.
Se Gamla. Se Gamla.
Ah,
Se Gamla.
normal ga.
Ga se Gamla.
Gamla, not na, la, not la. La.
Ga se Gamla.
Gamla. Gamla.
Ga se Gamla. Se Gamla.
Gamla.
Gamla. Ga se
Gamla.
Ga se Gamla.
Yes. Gamla.
Ga se Gamla. Ga se Gamla. Ga se Gamla.
Aradhya, where is your notebook? Aradhya, Pradeep. Notebook, Aradhya, Pradeep. Not clear. Aradhya.
Gamla.
Aradhya, not.
Gamla. Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ga se Gamla. Ga se Gamla. Ma'am. Ga se Gamla. Finish.
Diya, yes, what happened?
Ma'am.
Finish.
Ma'am.
Yes, wait there.
Ga se Gamla.
Good.
Ma'am. Finish.
Yes,
Ga se Gamla.
yes.
Ga se Gamla.
Keep when you are getting free time, please write and study Swarakshar. Swarakshar are to am.
I'm a print finish.
Yes.
Even I get finish.
Yes. Today
Finish.
our time finished. Next class I will check your notebook again. So please complete the note. Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.